Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your PC. Start by putting your iPhone USB charger cable into your PC with your iPhone unlocked. Next, click on Allow on your iPhone to allow your PC to connect with it. If done so, a message should pop up to open up the files of your iPhone. If it does not pop up automatically, you can open up File Explorer, and if connected correctly, it should be under this PC. Now click on Internal Storage. These maps are all of the photos and videos on my iPhone. Finally, just copy-paste the photos, videos you would like to transfer to your PC, or just drag them to whichever map you want them in. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.